Lesson number 1. The alphabets.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Instructions. Alphabets are the building blocks, so they need special attention. Focus on child's pronunciation and identification of dots on different letters. Have students read from left to right, top to bottom, and bottom to top. Moreover, have a practice on bold and light letters. Remember, if not taught properly, both the student and teacher will be in trouble in later lessons.
Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dad, Ta, Za, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Waw, Ha, Hamza, Ya, Ya। सब्ज़ हुरूफ को मोटा, बाकी तमाम रंगों के हुरूफ बारीक पढ़ें।